You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Welcome, everyone, and thanks for tuning in for another look into the really fast-moving world of AI. Today, we're going to unpack some really compelling stuff, new creative tools, some insights into how these systems actually think, and, well, even the human drama behind it all.
It's definitely a lot to keep up with. Our aim here is just to pull out the key insights, really give you a clearer view of the innovation and the challenges shaping what's next.
Okay, so let's jump right in. ElevenLabs just launched 11 Music. Get this. You can generate a whole song, vocals, instruments, everything just using plain English prompts.
Yeah.
I mean, imagine the creative possibilities there.
It's pretty amazing. And what's really interesting, I think, is how they're trying to balance that power with responsibility. You know, training on licensed work, putting in safeguards so you can't just type in a famous artist's name or generate harmful stuff.
Right.
It really forces that conversation about music rights and, you know, where humans and AI collaborate or compete.
Exactly. And shifting gears slightly to the more practical side, Anthropic's Claude code. It's now automating security reviews right inside GitHub Actions. That sounds like it could make developers' lives, well, a lot smoother, and the code safer, obviously.
Definitely safer. And Google's doing something interesting, too, with Gemini's guided learning. It's like an AI tutor, aiming for deep understanding, not just spitting out quick answers.
Okay.
So if you kind of step back and look at these, AI isn't just doing simple tasks now. It's becoming more of a partner, right? In creative work, in security, in education.
A partner, not just an assistant.
Exactly. It's a pretty significant shift.
Now, here's where it gets, for me anyway, really fascinating. Scientists are starting to trace what they call computational circuits inside these AI models. It's like watching the AI's neurons fire to understand how large language models actually reason things out. They're even seeing models use this sort of language-agnostic logic before they actually put things into specific words or languages.
And being able to see how a model solves a problem, like figuring out rhymes or understanding geography, that's crucial. For so long, AI has been this kind of black box, you know.
Right, the black box problem.
Yeah. And this work starts to open it up, giving us transparency, which you absolutely need if you want to build systems you could actually rely on.
And tied into that whole how they think thing, there's this weird phenomenon people are calling token entanglement.
Yes, subliminal learning.
Right, where models seem to pick up hidden behaviors, maybe biases, from data that looks meaningless, almost like subconscious associations. Apparently, just prompting with certain seemingly random tokens can subtly nudge the model towards certain topics.
That does raise a pretty big question, doesn't it? If these concepts and tokens can get tangled up like that, influencing what the AI says, how do you make sure unintended biases or sort of hidden agendas aren't creeping in? It means we need, well, constant checking.
Yeah.
Vigilance.
Constant vigilance. Okay, moving to the human side of things. The AI talent wars are pretty intense right now. You've got Elon Musk saying top meta engineers are heading to XAI. Zuckerberg's apparently poaching aggressively from OpenAI. And Microsoft is reportedly raiding Google DeepMind, promising a, faster moving environment. What's the deal here?
Well, it tells you where the perceived value is, doesn't it? This intense competition for the very top engineers. It underscores the huge strategic importance everyone's placing on AI leadership. It's basically showing where these big tech companies are putting their chips down for the future. Talent is the key asset.
Talent as the new moat. And speaking of business, sources are saying that the old flat pricing models just don't really work for AI because the value can be so variable.
Right.
So flexible pricing, like OpenAI uses, seems essential now for companies to react quickly to how people are actually using these services.
Absolutely. If you zoom out a bit, it's really about business models needing to adapt to how flexible and scalable AI itself is. Companies that get that agility right, both in, attracting talent and how they price their services, they're likely the ones who are going to come out ahead.
Wow. Okay. So we've covered quite a range today, from AI getting artistic with music to figuring out its internal logic, and then the human and business battles shaping its future.
Yeah, it really highlights just how fast AI is moving and how deeply it's starting to impact, well, pretty much everything.
So here's maybe a thought for you, our listener, to chew on. As AI gets more intuitive, more integrated into our lives, how might our own ideas about intelligence or creativity or even just solving problems, how might those change in response?
That's definitely something worth considering as we all navigate what's coming next in this space.
Indeed. Until next time, keep thinking, stay curious.
Spoken Tech for your ears.